Welcome to the 5th Northwest Confucius Institute annual Dragon Boat race today. The Dragon Boat Festival is to celebrate his life. And as you know, during the Dragon Boat Festival, all of China, we have races.
On 6 May 2017, the Northwest Confucius Institution held the 5th Chinese Dragon Boat Competition. The competition was held in Salford Water Sports Center. The Chinese Consul General Da Li Sun, the Vice-Chancellor of Manchester University Kirsty Porjas, and the Chinese Education Consul General Ying Wang attended this competition.
Hello, I'm Tabea from the Confucius Institute in Manchester. We've organised today's event to bring universities from the northwest of England together in this Chinese traditional festival. It's 6 teams competing against each other from Lancaster, England, Edge Hill, Liverpool, Manchester and Wigan Elite College. This is the 5th time we've done this, but the first time that we hosted it in Manchester. We can truly say it's been a successful event. Everybody enjoyed themselves and got to know a bit of Chinese culture by celebrating.